Welcome back, YouTubers. Welcome back, Gunners. My brothers, my sisters, my people. Today is finally the day. Trap, it's been a long time coming. We driving Kobe today. We've got our dealer plate. Big thanks to Mike. Had some Yonkers police stop by and check out the car. They were just driving through. It was crazy how much we sat here and talked for like an hour, man. Awesome, awesome dudes. Big love to them. They ran the plate for me. Everything is legit. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm just giving Kobe a quick once over here, and we'll be driving today. We're gonna have some fun. Are you ready? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. So, all right, guys. Yep. All right, guys. All right. So, okay, boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. So early this morning, gave it another oil change just to be on the safe side from after the dyno. Okay. Jamie ended up logging in, fixed the map, fixed the low end all the way to the high end. Let me show you how it starts up real quick. Dealer plate, my boy Mike. I appreciate you, brother. So now, Kobe fires right up. Idle's fine, nice and quiet. We've got it to about 800 RPM idle. Might have to raise it because I don't have an IAC, and we all know what happens when you don't have an IAC. You start to drop, and as you get off of the throttle, it shuts off. So I might raise it to about 1050, 1080, just under 1100, and then to not have like this little sputter. You see that? So if I raise it to like 1000, it'll be a cool, nice, calm tone. But car's looking good, man. I can't wait to see how this thing feels. And yeah, now much better idle. We got it at around 1100. So sounds much better. Nice, good tone on it. And I changed the temperature for it to come on at the fan to come on at 150. I really want to help this car stay cool. But right now we're good. It's been idling for a couple of minutes. We're at 138. We're good to go. The two-step sounds crazy in here too. Remind me, guys. Remind me to hit the two-step. Remind me.
Safety first, you heard?
Yo, safety first, man. We're going for our first real ride in Kobe. This is incredible.
I'm excited.
Long time coming, man.
Yeah,
Long time coming.
Minute.
Yeah, I'm here. It was so good. Look at this, man. Look how like responsive it is. You know?
Yeah, it feels brand new.
Yeah, it feels like literally brand new. But the drivability is decent. I probably want to have Jamie take a look at that idle. It sounds a little funny, but how smooth is this ride, Trap?
Nah, it feels awesome.
Crazy. We're gonna stop at the BP gas station, put some fresh corn in it, and see where that takes us. Some good old corn, Trappy.
You're here. Greatest corn in the world. Yeah, it is. It
never let no one
down.
down.
I got voted. I think it was like 12 years running.
12. Hey, don't forget the drip right here, though. Hold on, even when you open it, even when you open in the gas tank, you got some drip.
Drippy out here, kid.
Put a couple of gallons in this guy, make him fat. Make sure we have enough fuel, which we will.
So far, is what you expected?
I don't know. We haven't really stepped on it yet, because I can't really tell from the time we left the dyno.
Yeah.
Remember we had the VTEC lock? So now I'll get to feel some power in the low end. So Jamie's calling me right now. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here's our situation, right? So you hear that idle? It's really, really choppy. So I called Jamie. He said, yeah, something's wrong. I'm going to run back. We're filled up on fuel. I'm going to run back to the shop, let him connect through TeamViewer and clean up the idle, and then we can go on the hit. See? It's moving by itself. I got to fix that. Be right back. So we came back to the garage, picked up some Wi-Fi for the laptop, and we fixed the idle. So Jamie had to change a bunch of fuel in the beginning of the map. Now it's a much smoother tone, you know what I'm saying, Trap? So now we'll be able to get on it. Yeah, we're not having such a great outing right now, man. We've got like this. We thought it was the seat belts, but it's not. It's the rear suspension. We went under the car, tried to move the muffler around. It's not the muffler. It's something with the strut. We don't know if there's something wrong with the spherical hind joint at the end of the skunk arm, so we got to check that. Second is we're still getting hot, and I don't want to risk.
Yo, vlogging. That's a gunner. That's a gunner.
I don't want to risk hurting this car, so I think we're just gonna drive it back nice and calm. And fucking pick the.
Yo, keep that shit down,
man.
man.
Let's get out of here, Trappy. Wow, that was a terrible outing, Trappy. Oh my god, that was bad. We've got a power issue that's cutting off the ECU. We got to find out what's up with that wire. This side is rubbing. That's fine. We'll fix that. But the suspension noise from this side? Oh my goodness. I do not like it at all. Everything was telling us not to step on the car. Everything. And the temperature was rising. Good thing we brought the laptop with us. We get to see. But I love it. I love that it happened to us, Trappy, because I don't want the winner to have any issues with the car. It was a bad outing, but I'll take it. Something's going on down there. We just removed everything. And we're trying to track if it's a wire connection, if it's a pin, but it looks like we might have just pushed the pin back in, right, Trap?
Yeah.
We tried Project Driver's K-Pro. It didn't do it. We plugged this guy back in. It didn't do it, so we're just trying to get it to make that, to cut off the power, and we can't. So you hear that? You hear a fuel pump? You hear the fan. And as we're moving those wires, it was cutting off, but it stopped doing it now. We can't
Might
get
have been
this.
a pin trap.
It might have been a pin. What plug is that? D?
The gray one.
Yeah, I don't even know what plug that is. Whatever. E. But we can't get it to do it anymore. And the reason we're not closing this up and it doesn't look immaculate right now is because we have to figure it out. So we're getting to that part, guys. Just wanted to give you a little update. That trap? You hear that, guys? It's cutting off the power. But we can't find the problem. We know it's that plug, though.
Yeah, it's this one.
We're gonna have to trace every wire, Trap.
Mm-hmm.
Cut off that zip tie and run one wire by wire. One more time. What do you think? It might be the ECU?
It's
Maybe
got to
the
be
pins?
the pins in the ECU. Look. You know what I think it is? The board. You know how behind this is like the female side, and then it's just pins that run down and touch the board.
Yeah.
I think it's on the board because look, like as soon as like it's on and I'm moving the harness and I'm getting nothing. But when I get close to the plug and like kind of move it off the board, like it'll do it. Now I probably got a good connection.
Yeah. For the camera.
Yeah. No, you see?
Yeah. It's got to be right there. Let's see what we could do. So the plan is now to take that needle nose.
These things have gotten me out of a pinch trap.
Yeah, those things. That's a unit right there. Yeah. Shout out to Harbor Freight or whoever sold us that. We just go wire by wire and see if we can get it to move the pin. Yep, just like that. And we'll trace it down and we'll figure out this issue. What an awful outing. So our final evaluation and conclusion is it's the ECU. Every time this little board moves, it's causing the connection to get lost. So I have to open this sucker up and see what's really going on. If this stuff is like, corroded and whatnot. But it's not happening with that ECU, which is Project Driver. So
that's why it says killer, because it's a world record holder.
Word.
In case you guys didn't know.
Drill.
Yo, watch this. Yo, Vic, break some up.
All I know is I gave you niggas the fastest ECU that
Bitch,
worked,
please.
and now it don't work. But I ain't gonna hold nobody.
You know what though? Let's open it up on camera. Let's see what the maintenance looking like in there. Cause that was your ECU, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So whatever it looks like in there, you're fully responsible
Don't
for.
talk to me without a haircut, my nigga. I can't even hear.
We gonna see. Cause you don't look like the type to want to do maintenance ever.
Didn't know you had to on the computer.
You don't even clean that shit up in there. Take a look, nothing. See, kid, you look like you number fucking 7. You look like you number 7 on the barbershop thing. Here, just sit like that. You know, yo, which one you want? Number 7, right there. What do you think, Doc?
I'm trying to see if I could see like a pin in one of these
Any
terminals.
oxidation or anything like that?
I mean, it is dusty, but it shouldn't do it. With this guy here.
Yo, they hear us. Chill. They hear us.
My
Chill.
bad.
Chill.
I don't know. It might just need, these pins might just need a cleaning because some of them are just really, really dirty. I don't know how we clean them though. We gotta get contact cleaner?
Probably contact cleaner and Q-tip. Honestly.
Okay. Let's do it. Headed over to AutoZone. Got some electric cleaner. But what kind of shit luck is this? A dirty computer. From a dirty man.
I figured.
Yeah.
You see how you
From
can't?
a
You see how you
dirty,
can't give nobody
dirty dog. He knew that it was wrong, and he knew we was building another killer.
Yeah.
Yo,
Something that would have walked. If you thought PD walked,
I would wash
the roar.
I would wash you worse.
Yo, you know what's funny? What everybody always say when something go wrong that you lend them? Fine when I had it.
Yeah.
Exactly. What? You know what's crazy?
Diagnostic.
You know what's crazy? I gotta buy him a brand new computer.
Fine when I had it.
Yeah, alright. Alright, we're gonna clean this guy up right here. It looks like it's just these connections inside, they're corroded. Hold on, bear with me. I don't know if you guys can see all that nasty. So let's see what happens. Wish me luck, man. It's been an awful outing, Trappy.
Terrible.
Working with a monster. Okay, Trappy. Moment of truth. ECU's cleaned. We gotta plug it up. Take Project Driver's ECU out. The world record holder. And then see if we fixed our problem with the connection. We got a lot of wiring to redo.
A lot. It was so nice.
It's definitely nice. Can't give away cars like this, bro.
No.
Here we go. Fuel.
So far, this is a good sign.
So far, yeah, it would have definitely done it already.
That was a goddamn connection,
It was a
Travis.
connection, bro. Keep trying, though. Keep trying. Let's just triple check. Make sure it doesn't do what we think it's supposed to do. Yep, it would have happened already.
Yeah, we weren't even getting like.
How the hell kind of luck is that? A dirty ECU?
I'm telling you, Vicky's the type that showers and doesn't clean his feet 100%. Like just leaves them. Like lets the soap water just run.
You
down.
clean your feet?
Yeah, got the little loofah with the bar.
Oh, okay.
Get down there. You know.
I just get the top. I figure the
Just-
bottom's clean from the soap.
Stepping on it.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
all
but
set.
Vicky definitely just doesn't touch his feet
You
at all.
calling him a dirty dude?
Yeah, with those ECU connections,
Word.
can't trust.
I think he sabotaged Kobe.
Yeah, nah, he knew what it was. He knew what time it was.
Look at him in there.
He's probably in there just looking like a bear, just
Yeah.
breathing.
Looks like he's trying to order some food or something.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we're gonna conclude this vlog because honestly, we've got a lot of work to do. We got to do the suspension. We've got to do clean up that wiring, put it right back to how it was, nice and neat. And we've also have to figure out, I don't know what else. We've got stuff in our head. But before I end this video, here's an important announcement from Trappy Buckets. All right, Trappy, what do you got to tell us?
How do y'all win Kobe? We get it all the time. You go on keepgunning.com on our drop date, September 18th, 6 p.m. You order your Kobe bag, you get your bag. Inside your bag, 3 items. Hat, drippy, big drip. You have a sticker, another big drip item.
Hold on, let me focus on
You
it.
got focus on that? Peep the jersey.
Got it. So that's second item.
Third item,
Nice. Got it. And last but not least,
your ticket.
your ticket. Let's not show too many numbers because
Whoa,
everyone's
whoa,
going to
whoa,
say
whoa,
something
whoa,
crazy.
whoa.
All right, so
You have your ticket. That's your bag. That's your giveaway bag. Keep your ticket. You lose your ticket, you can't win. You're blocked. You can't win. You guys know the deal. And we're delivering it to you anywhere in the United States.
over and out.
Over and out.
Wait.
Oh, no, wait.
Wait.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Vicky, clean your feet.